Rome, Italy Airport. Rome, Italy, is served by two main airports. 1. Leonardo da Vinci International Airport. Fiumicino Airport. Fiumicino Airport, FCO, is the primary international airport serving Rome and is located about 30 kilometers southwest of the city center. It is the busiest airport in Italy and serves as a hub for several major airlines. Fiumicino Airport has 4 terminals, Terminals 1, 2, 3, and 5, and offers a wide range of facilities and services for travelers, including restaurants, shops, lounges, car rental services, and transportation options to the city center. 2. Ciampino-G, B. Pastine International Airport. Ciampino Airport. Ciampino Airport, CIA, is a smaller airport located about 12 kilometers southeast of the city center. It primarily serves budget airlines and charter flights, offering both domestic and European destinations. Ciampino Airport has 1 terminal and provides basic amenities such as dining options, shops, car rental services, and transportation connections to Rome city center. Both Fiumicino Airport and Ciampino Airport offer various transportation options to reach Rome city center, including airport buses, taxis, and train services. Travelers should choose the airport based on their flight itinerary, budget, and convenience. Fiumicino Airport is generally the main entry point for international travelers, while Ciampino Airport is often used by low-cost carriers and charter flights. Find more vlogs at https://www.supats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.